Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're putting together another LEGO Polybag, and this Polybag is 30383, and this is the Star Wars Naboo sometimes it's so tough to talk. The Star Wars Naboo Starfighter. There were too many stars in that thing I was trying to say. Anyway, if you are interested in this particular Polybag, and you want to build along or just check out information on it, there are links in the description for where you can find this on Amazon and on Bricklink. And there's also a link to the page for this on Brickset if you just want information about this particular set. And I've also included a link in the description where the link is a link to a Google Doc that has all of the Polybag stuff, and I'm constantly updating it as I add more Polybags, and as I plan on getting more Polybags, they get added to the list. So if you want to build along with, or if you want to build some of the previous ones, they are in the links down there for any of that stuff that you want. Also, I am planning on doing a LEGO Polybag build-along one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, please think about subscribing, because I got a bunch more on the way. And I got a count, but I almost think I have enough Polybags to get to the end of the year. So it's around the middle of August right now. So I can probably get close to Christmas. Anyway, there's a bunch more coming is the point if you're interested. Now this particular one is a Naboo Starfighter from Star Wars. And as someone who read a lot of Star Wars novels, a lot of what became the extended universe stuff, There's a lot of interesting stuff in Star Wars that I kind of feel like we lost when Disney bought it, and they basically all the extended universe sort of got written off, and I felt that was kind of unfortunate. Now there's some stuff that might have not been as well conceived as others, like for example I think it was 18 books of the Yuuzhan Vong invasion, where the race of people, creature things from like outside the universe came in and invaded, and they sort of had a biological technology going on and they had these like snake staff things that were resistant to lightsabers. It was kind of some of the ideas were better than others, but I mean, there was the whole point where they dropped a moon on Chewbacca. So yeah, there were some things that were not amazing in that. The problem though is you lose that, but you also lose like the X-Wing series, where you have Wedge rampaging around with Rogue and then Wraith Squadron, and I really enjoyed that series. And I think I enjoyed the part where he was with the Rogue Squadron was okay, but I think it really like got good when he started going around with Wraith Squadron, because it kind of had almost a Dirty Dozen feel to it, where they took a bunch of misfits from the Rebellion and they put them all on one team. And it was a very enjoyable series of books. And I mean, like, you have there were a bunch of interesting characters in it. Like there was a genetically engineered isn't correct, but he was like an engineered Gamorrean, like the guards from Jabba's palace. And one of the characters was an engineered Gamorrean, and they basically made him super smart and like a strategic genius. And it was kind of funny. I mean, like there was like some really entertaining parts in it. Like there was a part where they called him Piggy, by the way, because it is Star Wars. But there was a point where, like, Piggy and Admiral Akbar were like plotting strategy. It was really entertaining. So yeah, you lose those, and I mean, I don't know. I'm still, I know I mentioned it recently, but I'm still super disappointed about, like, they didn't opt to do the Heir to the Empire stuff instead of the Last Jedi, Force Awakens stuff that we got. I don't know. I just felt like it was a missed opportunity. And I mean, like, I did really want to see Lady Vader in action. All right, so we got all this stuff. Now we got to tack that on the back. So this goes here, and then this goes here, and this goes here, like so. But yeah, and I mean, like, if you're ever in the mood for some kind of like a Star Wars fix, some of those books are actually really entertaining. Some of them are really, really bad too, though. So, you know, it's a mixed bag with the whole Star Wars extended universe. But I enjoyed a lot of it. And to be fair, even the Yuuzhan Vong stuff, which was, it just wasn't amazing. At the time, I was doing a lot of driving, and so what happened was I was like listening to the audiobooks for that. And so, you know, you have kind of a different, you can be a little more forgiving when you're listening to an audiobook and it's saving you from, you know, just being bored out of your mind while you're driving. But yeah, they weren't like super amazing. Alright, so gotta put these things, I think I pushed it in too far. There we go. That'll work though. Got that one. And then I got this one. What I'm doing here is I'm pushing it all the way in, and then when I stick it in here, it's pushing it back out, so it evens out. That way these two are even. Not that that makes me crazy and obsessive or anything, but you know, one of those things. It happens. Alright, so let's see what we gotta do now. So we got two of these. I'm pretty sure, yeah. We got two of these. And so this clips in here, like so. And this clips in here, like so. So this actually isn't going to shoot or anything. It just is going to look like it could shoot. So these two things clip right here. And then the gray cones go on the end, like so. And then they attach to the front right here. Oh, I'm missing the little yellow things. Oh, shouldn't have let me get away with that. I was going to not put the yellow things on there. Alright. So we're missing those little yellow things. So yellow thing number 1 and yellow thing number 2. Like so. And now the gray cones go on. So gray cone number 1 and gray cone number 2. So we got these now, and now they attach to here, to the Naboo Starfighter. I don't know, they're going to need to face down, I believe, so we don't show the little blue part, like, because you can see the little blue in there. So we'll have them so they're facing down like so. There's that, and then we do the back, and the back has this. This thing is much larger than I was expecting it to be. I don't even think this is going to fit in the Polybag bag once it's put together. So this goes in here like so, and this goes here. Can I not line it up? Okay. Alright. This thing is rather large. It was not what I was it's like. That's pretty big. I mean, it's... It's not like a big solid chunk, but it's almost 5.5 inches. That's pretty big for something that comes out of a polybag. It's like 5.5 inches by 5 inches. Huh. No, that's pretty big. That's kind of neat looking though. I like it. Not too bad. Kind of a cool looking Starfighter. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. And if there's any polybags you think I should take a look at, you can let me know down there. And if there's any of the Star Wars books from the extended universe that you really enjoyed, you can let me know about them in the comments as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and hope y'all have an excellent day.